Hello and welcome to another episode of Retro Cars Reborn. If you're new to the channel, why have you not been here before? This channel's amazing. But welcome anyway. We're talking Capris and front balancers and headlight balls. So let's get on with it. So the plan. 2.8 I am going to restore back to, as best as I can, factory original, because this is the one that I planned on keeping forever and ever and ever, and it's been in this state, getting welded. See, I reconstructed this top of this bowl about 4 years ago, and as you can see it's already going rusty. But the plan is I managed to get a better valance for this one. So this valance has already got to come off. So this corner, once I've unstitched this one, can be used on the black one. And that will solve most of my issues. So let's crack on with that. After some grinding back, literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 spot welds have been found. These bottom ones are a little bit harder to find, but yeah, it's a very long process this. So as soon as I've drilled some holes, we will come back. There we are, most of the spot welds are drilled. As you can see, they have movement. This whole front panel, this side is pretty much off. So yeah, that was fun. As you can see, it ended up being butchered, and you have to repair all that before I can put it back on. But it's easier to repair all of this than it is to probably repair that. So it's better in the long run. Well, I dug the panel out that I'd got to replace this white one. And you know what? I remember it being a lot better than this. I cut the corners off, look. So I've even got to make them, put them back on this panel. The reason I got the red panel, it's still got all the wing attachments down both sides. So I'll see what I've got to work with. Right, and I think it's best to just save all that tedious stripping it all down for the white one. I mean, I'm going to have to completely reconstruct that panel. That could take days, weeks even. And I can at least use this piece here to reconstruct all that. So I think the best plan of action for this is to just repair it. It's going to be the faster job. It's going to be easier while it's in situ as well. Hooray! The fun of old cars, eh? Put a lot of the crap out now. A nice big large square. Cleaned up more of it and I've got more holes. But you know, there's not a lot we can do about that. Cleaned up a bit more of this. Just gotta cut this section out now so all that rotten piece is gone there. Cut the edge off this piece here as well. And I'm going to start looking at welding some in. I dare say that bit there, we'll go through some more. Yeah, so I'm just going to push that through a bit more and get some more in there. But yeah, I think this is definitely the way to go. Just cut these cut these bits out and weld some new bits in. So plenty more cutting gone off. So hopefully the next thing you're going to see is that back piece here. Little L bend will be filled back with some brand spanking new metal. That's one piece welded in. I never did claim to be a welder, so don't expect it to be amazing. But it is nice fresh metal. So that's the second bit welded in. Bit more cleaning up. Light skim filler on that bad boy, and it'll be like new. But yeah, this is all that matters. Welding technique, what your welds look like, does not matter. All that matters is it's all made out of metal again. Next step is to cut all this rotten piece out here and rebuild that with this piece back in. And after that, cut this rotten piece out and rebuild all this bit here. Let's do it. This bit is down. As you can tell, my amazing welding skills on another level to everybody else's. No one can weld as good as me, as we know. Remember people, it doesn't matter what your welds look like, as long as it's solid. Right then, tackle this. One reconstructed headlamp bowl. Yeah. Beautiful. Now you can see this tiny hole. Don't worry about that. The problem with the original design was the water got trapped in there, which is what rotted it away. So the water's now got somewhere to go. But yeah, not my finest work, but I'm still getting used to using this welder because my old one broke. My old one was a non-gasless one, so this is the first time I've ever used a gas welder, but I'm pretty pleased with its results. So yeah. So thanks for watching, people. I'll see you on the next one. And don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, and a little thumbs up. And I will get round to this awful headlamp bowl, which is even worse, but I'm sure we'll sort it. Bye bye.